Hey guys, and welcome back to Mackenzie Makes, and on this video I will be making this sunflower pincushion. I made this one about when I was 8 or 9 years old, and I will be making this. For this you will need 3 different patterns, these ones right here. You will need green felt for the bottom, brown felt for the top, and yellow and orange for the petals. Let's get started. I already have all of them cut out and ready. I've already sewn most of this to save time. So let's stuff it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel to see more content, and click that notification bell. For this one, you're just going to need to put the petals back and forth, yellow and orange. It's pretty simple. The last few you're probably going to have to squish in there. You want to make sure to stick the petal in just a little bit, not too much, that the petal will still be showing a lot nicely, but far enough in to sew it. After you're done sewing, you're going to want to make sure to poke it back through the bottom. Stitch up through it one more time, and go back behind the petal and just tie it off in a knot so you won't be able to see it. Then you're just going to get your scissors, cut it off at the end. And here's the sunflower pincushion. How much better does it look? Then you can just get your pins and stick them in there. If you have any ideas, stuff that you would want me to make, comment down below. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.